Welcome to our video comparing two popular kitchen appliances from Ninja. In this video, we'll be looking at the Ninja FD401 Foodi and the Ninja AF150 AMZ Air Fryer XL. We'll be evaluating these products in various categories to help you make an informed decision on which one is best for you. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. The Foodi has an extra-large capacity 8-quart ceramic-coated pot and a 5-quart cook in crisp ceramic-coated basket. On the other hand, the Air Fryer XL has a 5.5-quart nonstick basket and crisper plate. If you're feeding a large family, the Foodi might be a better option. However, the Air Fryer XL is still spacious enough for cooking up to 3 pounds of French fries or wings with ease. The Foodi offers 12 programmable cooking functions, including pressure cook, air fry, air crisp, steam, slow cook, yogurt, sear, sauté, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, sous vide, and keep warm. Meanwhile, the Air Fryer XL has 5 versatile cooking programs: air fry, air roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. The Foodi offers more cooking options, but both appliances are capable of cooking a variety of meals. Both the Foodi and Air Fryer XL have safety features, with the Foodi boasting 14 safety features and the Air Fryer XL's basket and crisper plate being BPA-free. Regardless of which one you choose, you can have peace of mind while using it. The Foodi's ceramic-coated pot and basket are non-stick and easy to hand wash, while the Air Fryer XL's basket and crisper plate are also non-stick and dishwasher safe. Both appliances are easy to clean, but the Air Fryer XL's dishwasher safe parts might be more convenient for some people. The Foodi is priced at $194, while the Air Fryer XL is priced at $155. If price is a deciding factor for you, the Air Fryer XL is the more budget-friendly option. And that's our comparison of the Ninja FD401 Foodi and Ninja AF150 AMZ Air Fryer XL. Both of these appliances are great choices, depending on your needs. Don't forget to let us know which product you prefer in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.